Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and the headlines clearly coming out from the gold prices, which are trading at near 11-week highs in the international markets. We've seen $1960 per ounce as well come in, and in the matter of last fortnight, we've seen prices rebound from 1810 of a low to 1960. So that's almost $150 per ounce of a jump up. We did see prices gain up by 5% in the previous week, and after that, the prices have gained nearly 2% into this week as well. Well, there have been various supportive factors, and we have seen the gold prices in the Indian markets hit a high of 60,000 rupees per 10 grams yet again. So that's an important psychological level there as well. As I said, there are various supportive factors. One, there is safe haven buying on Israel and Hamas conflict, and then there are expectations that the US Fed will start to ease rates by 2024. Well, the gold market's clearly looking out for that. And when you look at the Wall Street banks, they are getting quite bullish on gold as well. You have JP Morgan saying that for this quarter, 1920 is an average that they see, and by fourth quarter of the next year, they're anticipating 2175 as well. UBS is holding 1950 as their best case scenario for this quarter and until the first half of next year as well. But it is about Citi, which expects 2200. Saxo Bank is talking about 2100. So we are hearing all those kind of levels for the next year now. But let's get that conversation going, and joining us for that is Manoj Jha. He's MD at Kamakhya Jewelry there. Manoj, hi, thank you so much for joining us.
Hi.
And very bullish views coming in for the gold prices for the next year. We'll get to that in a bit. But first of all, this quarter and by Diwali, what is your sense?
See, Manisha, as I told you so many times previously, gold will go down, and it touched 1810. Now, suddenly there is a geopolitical tension came between Hamas and Israel. And always the geopolitical tension supersede all the other factors. Right now, the only one factor is Israel. There is no other factor is going to support gold or give any negative or positive direction. So, right now, it will be very much volatile for next 15-20 days at least. Gold may go to, if this all war will go in the next level, if other countries is coming there, because in last 2-3 days you can see in France, in Germany, everywhere something is going on. Even Biden wants to meet Muslim countries at Jordan. There that was also not fruitful. Even the meeting has not done. So many tensions. Every day new things are coming. So gold may go to 2000, 2100, 2150. Anything can happen. Up to 2200 I can predict. But the day this all will come up, because every time there will no war, and there will be some peace will be coming, then again you can see gold coming down to 1900 approx. So my personal view, traders can go away from these volatile sessions, because gold is very much volatile. Rather, always the key factor for gold is that is the Fed rate, interest rate. Yesterday also, if you have seen that the mortgage loans at US that have gone beyond 8%. So even everyone is expecting next interest rate hike also in US, but nothing is working. That all things are for negative for gold. But the only thing is working, that geopolitical tension, and every day there is a news. So I am expecting right now to go gold in on a higher rate, and there will be huge volatility. But after some time, definitely it will come down.
All right. So for the near term, I mean, as you said, 2200 is a possibility as well. And you rightly pointed out, geopolitics perhaps is the only thing that is keeping the prices in favor because of that safe haven buying coming in. But for the Indian markets, we also have to look at the dollar. We are looking at the Indian rupee as well. So for the Indian markets, what's the sense that you see for the near term, longer term, best case scenario?
Right now, I can speak about only the near term.
Okay.
Because in near term, if this war escalates, lot of new country is coming in. What we can see from the behind, few countries are always supporting, few are supporting Hamas, few are supporting Israel. So in Indian rupees, it can go to 63,000-64,000 approx. From here, you can see another 3,500 escalation in rates. But if the war settle down, at least come to a little bit peace, or even I am saying only these two countries are involved, only Israel and Hamas is involved, then also gold will not give you a big jump. Only jump, you will see the big jump if a lot of other countries are involved and they will come on front face. Else gold will be here only approx $2,000 you can say, and the day it will settle down, it will come to 1850 around 1850 to 1900. That will be 3,000 less from here you can say. So my range is approx 64,000 in the up and 56,000 57,000 in the down. All depend on the US. All depend on the this war is going to happen at Israel.
Fair point. So Manoj, that is all about the prices and the global cues. But let's talk about the Indian markets then. And we do understand that in India, come festivals, whatever the prices are, we do tend to consume anywhere between 600 to 800 tons that we import and consume into the markets as well. So as we are into the festival season right now, with the kind of volatile moves, looking at safe haven buying, concerns about future markets, how do you look at buying in this quarter as compared to the previous quarter now?
Manisha ji, not only the previous quarter, from January only, there was a great slowdown in buying of the gold and gold jewelry, all the jewelry sector. And but from last 10-15 days, you can see when the gold prices were really reasonable. So there was a huge buying everywhere. The customers were there, all jewelers were happy, and the crowd was all new foods, old foods, all are there in the shops. But last 2 days, again there is a slack everywhere. People are thinking that this is because the war, it can come down. So few people are not interested in buying gold. But I am telling you, this gold price can go more up. So people can can go for the buying, because till Diwali I can't see the gold prices to go down.
Okay.
So definitely in 2-3 days again we can see a good move. But if you can compare from last quarter to this quarter, definitely the business will be good, and I am expecting at least 10 to 15% better response. Rather, I am telling you 20 to 25% better response from last quarter, because last quarter was very bad for gems and jewelry industry. This quarter was good because of the gold rate, but now the festival season is there. A lot of festival is going on. India Jewelry Shopping Festival, Diwali is there, wedding season is coming. So a lot of buying will be there. Jewelers have done a lot of good work, and only because this fluctuation, few customers are confused. Right. But I request everyone, you can see, and if you want to buy in another one month, definitely gold rate will be higher.
All right. A final question, and you've been participating and inviting us as well for various gold festivals that you have been doing across cities. What is the kind of feedback that you've received on all of that?
Manisha ji, across the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, even Andaman Nicobar, East, Guwahati, everywhere, from all the corners of the country, people have joined for India Jewelry Shopping Festival. People have taken subscription in crores and crores. People will getting all the coupons, gifts, 5 kilo gold, 3 crore jewelry, altogether 35 crore gift we are distributing everywhere. So there is a new vibes coming in the gems and jewelry industry, and I request all the customer of the country, go from and buy jewelry and get more and more gift. And thank you CNBC, Manisha ji, always supporting to gems and jewelry industry, and because of your support we always get benefit. So I request everyone to join India Jewelry Shopping Festival and buy. And in Hindi we have a phrase, "Chamkegi sabki kismat."
All right. So this Diwali, that clearly seems to be the bottom line there. Manoj, thank you as always for joining us here at Moneycontrol. So clearly a big pitch coming in sense of buying. As far as the prices go, well, those are also expected to go on the higher side.